Just a quick update on the market today for the SPY. I'm actually going to leave in a couple minutes to watch Oppenheimer, my second time on IMAX. Definitely recommend watching it. But let's get started with the SPY because today was a very, very interesting day and we are not looking good. We broke a major level of support. So we're taking a look at the chart here. We had the level at $451 or $52. We had this critical level of support and we closed below, and now we have more room to the downside for the SPY. Price target of 444. So the SPY is not looking good right now. I want to take a look at the 5-minute because the 5-minute was looking very, very interesting, and again seeing how we respected our level of support. So this was our level of support on the daily time frame. We kind of flagged down here, we touched this level and we were consolidating, we were testing this level, but it could not hold down, and right when we broke that level it had a massive push to the downside. So on the daily time frame, the SPY is not looking good. We have more room to the downside, 444 being our price target. We're taking a look at the RSI, and we're seeing that the RSI has been down a lot. And in fact, RSI has actually hit a nice level of support. It's about to hit a nice level of support. So it looks like SPY has more room to the downside, 444 being our price target, or somewhere right around over here, especially with the RSI. But we have this sudden pullback where we broke the level of support, and this is what we are taking a look at. So for tomorrow, we have two scenarios. We go back down, we test this level of support, or we enter in back at the zone. So we have this zone here and we need to enter back in to be bullish. Now we do also have this gap that I want to talk about. The SPY gapped down, so that is a bullish scenario for calls. If we do enter in at the gap level of resistance, this is going to be a nice play for calls. So this was a wild pullback, especially for futures. Futures were down over 1% and the SPY gapped down at pre-market. This is what we are taking a look at for SPY. It is at a very, very interesting level. It's definitely hanging. It definitely does look bullish, but we have the RSI, we have the support, and we have the gap playing in. So this is what we are taking a look at for the QQQ, support being around 371. So we do have more room to the downside, but we're hitting right around the area of support, especially for QQQ. QQQ actually looks a lot more bullish since we hit this level of support. So QQQ is looking bullish. Just a quick update on Disney. So Disney, I haven't bought any shares yet, but I'm looking to buy shares right at market open tomorrow. So this is what we're taking a look at for Disney. Looking good. We are holding this level of support right here, but overall Disney just being Disney, nothing crazy, especially on the weekly time frame. It looks good, especially we're taking a look at the monthly time frame for our shares. So we're only taking a look at equity, no options. I'm not going to be touching options on Disney. This is just going to be a long-term play for shares on Disney, no options play. As for oil, it looks decent, honestly, especially XLE. So XLE kind of looks decent. I think we're fine chilling on oil. SU and CVX don't look good, but oil in general looks good, especially since we have like a month out. Calls, if you just have shares chilling on with SU, ticker symbol SU, then you're fine as long as if we hold this level. So for oil, as long as if we don't go below the level of resistance that we broke out of, then we're fine. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You're going to be watching Oppenheimer for the second time. Definitely recommend watching it if you guys, like cinema, art, human nature, all that. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Take care.